Okay, hello students. Now we are solving the exercise 11.3 from perimeter and area lesson. Question number 1 is find the circumference of the circle with following radius, and they given the values of pi. Pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Okay, so first A they given radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Now the formula for circumference of circle is what? C is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so see here between 2 pi and r nothing is there, means multiplication sign is there. Okay, so we will multiply this. 2 multiply pi, already they given what? 22 upon 7 into r is what? 14. Okay, now we can divide this. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Now the remaining one is 2 multiply 22 multiply 2. So the multiplication of this is, we will get our circumference. Circumference is equal to, now see, 22 into 2 is 44 multiply 2, that is C is equal to 88 centimeter. Always remember students, if they given pi, whatever pi's value they given, if they given 22 upon 7 or 3.14, okay, whatever they given, that value we have to use. And in some example values are not there, so mostly we are using pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Okay, always remember. Now B, the second one is 28 mm. The radius is 28 mm. So how we will find? C is equal to, same formula, C is equal to 2 pi r. See, 2 multiply 22 upon 7 into, on the place of r we will place that 28. Okay, so we can divide this, or see, you can multiply also, 2 multiply 22 multiply 28, and then you can divide by 7. This also you can do, but if you will divide here directly, then it is easy for solving. So see, 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. Okay, so the answer is 2 multiply 22 multiply 4 is what? See, now we will do like this. 2 22s are 44 into 4, so 44 into 4 is what? 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 71 mm. Okay, so perimeter is circumference of circle is what? 176 mm. Okay, now C, it is 21 centimeter. Okay, same we have to use. C is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 multiply pi is what? 22 upon 7 multiply 21. Okay, now 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Okay, always remember, if denominator and numerators are there, we can divide like this. Okay, so 2 multiply 22 multiply 3, so it is 44 multiply 3, so 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13 centimeter. Okay, like this we will get the circumference of the circle. Now we will move towards the second question. Question number 2 is, find the area of the circle. So first the given radius. Now the area of circle formula is what? Pi r square. Okay, now same value we will put. Pi is equal to 22 upon 7 into, now r square they given, means 14 square. Okay, 14 square we have to find. Now see, better to find 14 square, we can write like this. See, because square means what? That same number whatever in base, that we are multiplying 2 times. So we will do like this, 14 into 14. Okay, or you can write 196 also, 14 square. Okay, so 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So the multiplication is what? 22 multiply 2 multiply 14 is equal to, now your multiplication is 44 into 14. So 14 4s are 56, 5 carry, 14 4s are 56 plus 5 61 mm square. Okay, so area of circle is what? Now 616 mm square. Now the second one is B is equal to diameter they given. See, diameter is equal to 49 meter. Now our formula is what? Pi r square. Okay, area of circle is what? Pi r square. Means we need here r, radius. So we know that radius is what? Half of diameter. So first we will find the value of radius. Radius is equal to half of diameter. Okay, means d divided by 2 we will do here. Now 49 divided by 2. What we will get? See, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay, 0.1, so 2 5s are 5. Means radius we will get 24.5. Now this value we have to put in our formula. So A is equal to pi r square. Now 22 upon 7 into, we can write like this, 24.5 square. So 22 upon 7 multiply 24.5 into 24.5. Now we can divide this, say 24.5 with 7. Now see, 7 ones are 7 here, 7 3s are 21. Now 3 will remain, so 7 5s are 35. So the remaining one is 22 multiply 3.5 multiply 24.5. Okay, so your answer will be, it is 1886.5. okay, meter square. Area means whenever they are giving diameter, always remember, if diameter given, then first we have to find the radius. Okay, because our formula is what? Pi r square. If you have to find the circumference, then no need to find radius. Okay, because in circumference we know that we can use pi d also, that formula. Okay, but if area we have to find, then first find radius. Okay, radius is half of diameter, so diameter divided by 2. So 49 divided by 2, we got radius 24.5. so same value we put in formula, and after multiplication, see, we got 1886.5 meters square. It is the area of circle. Okay, now third one, see, they given radius is equal to 5 centimeter they given. Okay, so the formula is A is equal to pi r square. So 22 upon 7, okay, into r square means 5 square. Now see, we can't divide this 5 with 7, so I am finding this square. 5 square is 25. So now we will multiply like this, 25 2s are 50, 5 carry, 25 2s are 50 plus 5, 55 upon 7. So we will get, see here, if after dividing, what we will get? See here, 7 7s are 49 we will do here, 7 7s are 49. So remaining is 6. Okay, so 7 8s are 56. Okay, 7 8s are 56. 4 will remain. So 7 5s are 35. Means your answer will come 78.5. Area is 78.5 centimeter square. Okay.